Now, with the border surge and the large amounts of drugs coming into the United States, the current fentanyl crisis has caused a shift in drug education. Now, schools and police departments feel children as young as the 5th grade should learn about the dangers of hard drugs. Fox's Joy Addison joins us with more on this. Joy, what's going on?
Sherman, that's right. The DARE program started in 1983, and it originally taught kids to just say no, but now that message is changing.
My son was passed away on September the 16th, 2020 from fentanyl poisoning. He was 40 when he passed away, and he had been dealing with addiction and mental health for a number of years since he was a teenager.
Vanina Smith says her son's drug addiction started in middle and high school. He received DARE's police-led drug abuse resistance education, but she feels it needed an upgrade.
It was outdated, and just say no was not really okay. You just say no. Say no to what?
Now the federally funded programs Just Say No to Drugs curriculum has shifted to keeping it real.
Teaching them in about the 8th grade, middle school, about addiction cycles and how the brain works and why it can get addicted to certain substances like, heroin, fentanyl, all those things, opioids.
The CDC reports monthly overdose deaths for people aged 10 to 19 involving fentanyl increased over 180% from 2019 to 2021.
5 or 10 years ago, we didn't know exactly the extent of the problem with fentanyl, and so now our kids, they're exposed to it, and they can get it as accessible as it being in some food or getting it from some candy from one of their classmates.
At the beginning of this year, DARE added this fentanyl fact sheet, a change Smith says could help save lives.
Some children start experimenting about 12, but if we don't get the message out about what these drugs are doing and how fentanyl is involved with a lot of these illegal drugs, what they're doing with them, kids will think that, oh, it might be okay.
Of the approximate 18,000 law enforcement programs across the country, DARE says they have officers at 6,000 schools here in the U.S. Other schools have opted for alternative programs like the All-Star Project or the Child Development Program. Aside from fentanyl education, they also educate students on the harms of suicide and social media safety. In Houston, Joy Addison, Fox 26 News.